Next one, galvanization. So galvanization is one more what we can say, it's a highly preventive measures. This is the thing we are using right now for the statues. Sorry, what are the statues? We can see that silver color statues of great leaders in the junctions and even on the roads. We can see that. Yes or no? They are constructed with iron and they are coated with zinc. What I said, iron is a strong metal, but what is the main drawback of iron? It is easily corroded. It is easily rusted. Understood?
Ma'am, zinc in this is, do you mean zinc oxide?
No, we are not talking about zinc oxide. It's a compound. We are talking about zinc metal. On iron metal.
Oh, okay.
On iron metal, we apply the molten zinc on it. We'll apply the molten zinc on it. When we apply the molten zinc on it, it forms a very thin, a thick layer on the iron. This zinc is, though it reacts, not that much reactive than iron, it won't get rusted easily. Okay, that's why we'll find the silver color or grey color statues on the roadside. Though they are present under the hot sun or even in the rainy season, they won't get corroded. Why? Because it is galvanized. Galvanized means the process of applying protective zinc coating to iron or steel to prevent rusting. Only zinc, we'll call it as galvanization. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we can see here two different pictures. This is rusted iron. Am I right? This is rusted iron.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is galvanized iron. This is galvanized iron. Why? Because this rusted iron the rust will be removed by different processes, and this iron will be galvanized. So this iron won't have much chance to get corroded than iron. Yes, Arun.
Ma'am, I know that the metals get rusted because of air and water. Ma'am, but if a new clean metal is beside a rusted metal in a packed place, like there is no air or water, will the clean metal get rusted because of the rusted metal?
But is there any chance of absence of oxygen in the open area?
No, ma'am, but does rust will transfer?
Definitely.
Okay, ma'am.
Like if we are having teeth, na? Am I right? We are having teeth. Am I right? Understood? So when we are having the teeth, if there is any cavity of any tooth present in that particular area, so definitely what the doctor said that we need to remove the damaged one. Otherwise, the damage will be spread to the entire oral, or if the more cavities we can observe in the teeth. Understood or not? Have you heard about it? Any time? Have you heard? If any damage?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yeah, I'll show you a small video about the galvanization.
I understand what is galvanization.
Yeah. I just want to show you the video so that definitely, and just like I have kept a video, but it's like whether you understand or not, I'll share a video, then definitely you can understand. One. So galvanization is nothing but, for example, especially we'll find that automobiles are made up of metal, especially iron metal. Understood or not? So these metal spare parts, they'll go with the galvanization process. Galvanization is nothing but applying a thin layer of zinc on iron. Zinc and iron won't react because both are metals. They won't react. Okay, this zinc, though it is having tendency to react with atmospheric oxygen, when we compare with metal, it's not too highly reactive with the atmospheric oxygen and moisture. That's why we have selected zinc. The process of applying a zinc coating on the surface of iron is known as galvanization. Why do you use galvanization? Why? Because almost all the automobile spare parts and even the bridges are made up of iron. So what they'll do before constructing, before fixing the bridge parts, they'll take the individual bridge part and they'll dip into the zinc coating. Understood, children? So that after drying, above the iron, a zinc will be coated. So this zinc, though it is having scratches after some years, though it is having scratches, there is no chance of corrosion. Why? Because the zinc is also protected the beneath layer of it. Understood? So this galvanization it's like hot dipping. Just observe. These are the spare parts. You can see that how they are dipping. They'll go like, first of all, they'll clean the spare parts. If iron is there, they'll take caustic cleaning, means like acidic cleaning and base cleaning will be there. So like that, they'll dip into different blocks containing solutions. After that rinsing, if there is any chance of rusting before, first of all, they want to clean it. Are you getting, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So surface, first of all, they'll prepare the metal to remove the outer surface. If it is already get rusted, then this process will undergo to remove it. It's nothing but a surface preparation of metal. So these are the different steps. If you go with the higher classes, definitely you can understand it. Otherwise, you can't.
Okay. Ma'am, what does pickling means?
Pickling is also a technique. That's what I said. All these are not required to you to understand. Only I am giving. You'll go for the higher classes.
Okay.
It's a kind of pickling means it is a kind of rust removing process. Okay. This is a galvanized tub consists of molten zinc, liquid zinc. So have you seen the color? Gray color. Once
yes,
the clean
ma'am.
metal into it, so we can get a clean and allow it to dry. Dry. So after cooling, we can find the spare parts. For example, these may be spare parts of bridges. So after drying, they'll take it and then fix it. So we find that bridges and statues are in this color, no? Or this color? Which color? Gray.
Ma'am, I think the pure color. Yeah,
yes.
Gray in color, sir.
Gray in color. So this gray color is not nothing but iron. It's about the zinc coated on the surface of iron.
Ma'am, can we say pure iron or should we say pure zinc?
So when we go with the metals, we can't say it's a pure or unpure. Definitely all the metals are pure in their nature until and unless it will undergo corrosion. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am?
So, yes.
Ma'am, so when the iron, when it is galvanized, so can we say it is an alloy?
No, it's not an alloy. It's not an alloy. Say the difference. It's only a painting. How we are painting the paint on the surface of metal. It's just an applying a zinc molten on the surface of, we can say, iron. Understood? Yeah? It's not an alloying. Alloying is a complete composition. Percentage of metal present in it. Here, the metal won't present inside the metal. It's an outer layer of the metal. There's a lot of difference between alloying and galvanization. This is nothing but electroplating. So electroplating is nothing but the process of coating the surface of the conductive materials with a metal, or electroplating is used usually used to cover a less expansive metal with a more expansive, it's not metal, it's a metal, or to cover a corrosive metal with a less corrosive or non-corrosive metal. Electroplating is also similar, like so when you go with the electroplating is nothing but the process of coating the surface with any other less reactive metal. Like how zinc is coated on iron, that process only galvanization. Electroplating is with the help of electricity. For example, on the iron, I want to electroplate. On the iron, I want to electroplate gold water. Like 1 gram ornaments. Have you know about the artificial 1 gram ornaments? Especially girls. Girls are very much fond of gold and different ornaments. So we can't afford much money to buy gold all the time. So definitely we'll go with the imitation. Understood? What do you mean by imitation? 1 gram property of gold. That means a gold liquid, gold metal liquid is used on the surface of iron so that we can feel that it's a gold ornament. They are like completely like gold, but they are not gold. They simply coated on the surface of iron with the help of electricity. It's known as electroplating. So we can see that here, iron is the bar of iron. On the bar of iron, everybody can't afford to buy all the gold ornaments. Am I right? Because it's very
yes, ma'am. Voice is breaking a lot, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's breaking. It's okay, na?
Ma'am, and there's also some disturbance from your side, ma'am.
What disturbance? I don't have any disturbance.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. Some metal, ma'am, some steel sound, something, some sounds are coming. Ma'am?
Yes, Anna.
Yes, the voice is like sometimes breaking, like now it was breaking and then it becomes normal and again it starts breaking or cracking.
Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am, and there's also some disturbance, I guess.
It's a sizzling over here, so you need to please cooperate with it because it's sizzling. Okay, so please cooperate. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So electroplating is nothing but a thin layer of any other unreactive metals on the surface of reactive metals. Highly reactive metal is iron. On iron, if they have taken gold water and they have applied it, and it resembles like pure gold. Like 1 gram gold ornaments, artificial gold. You can see here all these are artificial gold ornaments. How they are electroplated by using electricity. By using electricity, they are applied on the surface of iron. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's nothing but an electroplating process. So uncle, not even this, even it is used to on applying copper also. Copper, silver, gold, all these are less reactive metals which can be applied on the surface of iron. Not a completely pure metal is applied on it, only the liquid. Few percent of gold only applied on the surface. So they are not like too costly like gold ornaments, but somewhat they are costly and they are affordable for a common man. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. So next is an interesting topic, that is alloying. Alloying. Non-metals. Like for example, iron is there. So iron is rusting. So what I want to do, I want to increase the quality of iron. I want to increase the strength of iron. I want to make iron as a rust-proof, complete rust-proof. Then what I do, I add few more metals to get stronger. I add few more metals. For example, we are having gold. So the gold is having purity. Sometimes 19 carats gold, 22 carats, 24 carats, like that. That is nothing but purity. Okay. So the pure gold is soft in nature, so that what they'll add few other metals in it, and we are going to buy only the percentage of gold present in that ornament. For that only we are paying. And whatever the remaining percent of that remaining are nothing but some other metals to make the gold stronger. They'll add this metals like copper and some other metals. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Alloying is a completely to avoid the rusting or corrosion of iron. They go with alloying to make the metals stronger. 90% of the metals will undergo alloying process to get it stronger. But the iron consists of copper, the gold, silver, whatever it is. These are the alloying. Bronze is formed by alloying. Bronze is stronger and it won't be rusted. So that's why bronze or brass or all these like accessories are very costly. Why? Because they are rustable. They are durable. Their lifespan will be very high. They can stand for many years. That's why they are costlier than normal iron. Stainless steel. From iron, steel is obtained. From steel, this alloying process will undergo to form stainless steel. Like tin and some other metals are added in. Tin, zinc, all these are added in iron to get stainless steel. Will metals and metals react in alloys? No, metals and metals won't react. In alloying process, only the percentage of metals are present to make the metal stronger and rust-proof or corrosion-proof. Resistance, high resistance towards corrosion. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.